Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a cocktail that is going to throw you for a loop with one of the ingredients. Today we're making the Olivia. We're going to start off with 0.75 ounces of egg white. You want to crack your eggs? You do you, man. That's all I'm saying. I'm going to use half an ounce of fresh squeezed. Oh, that's way more than half an ounce. No, I'm sorry. It's 3/4 of an ounce. 3/4 of an ounce. Like, wait a minute. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. I'm just having a stroke over here. Half an ounce of honey syrup. Woo. Half an ounce of amaretto. Keep coming. Pour spouts. Please and thank you. All right, here's our secret ingredient. Half an ounce of extra virgin olive oil.
What?
I know, it's super weird. And last but not least, 2 ounces of gin.
What the heck?
I know. It's a weird one. So I did use my standard New World gin that's more on the citrusy side. I think this cocktail would actually bode better with a London Dry gin. So I may have to retry this one at another time and use London Dry gin and see how that changes it up. But we are going to do a dry shake or a mime shake to emulsify the egg first, and then we'll add ice.
You should use your New World olive oil too.
I did not. I don't know where my olive oil be coming from.
Store.
It's a product of Italy, but it was distributed by Illinois.
Oh.
Now we're going to add ice to our smaller shaker tin and shake for roughly another 10 seconds to chill down the cocktail and to dilute it as well. I'm getting better.
You are. So proud of you. Oh.
All
It's
right.
like learning another language.
Yeah. Trust me. I know if right now I'm not a fan.
Of learning another language or learning?
Learning to use the other arm. All right, we are going to double strain into a coupe glass.
Foam it up.
Foam it up. Gorgeous.
Yeah,
Look how pretty.
that was much better.
Ow. And then, so ideally for this cocktail, we would use a basil leaf to garnish. I don't have any basil. So it's
No basil.
no basil here. So instead, I'm going to use a dehydrated lemon wheel. Boop.
There you go.
See, it still looks
Good
pretty.
looking cocktail.
It's a beautiful looking cocktail. What do you mean good looking? It's beautiful.
Mid. Just kidding.
You can leave, sir. All right.
Middle of the top of the scale. Anyways.
Keep it to yourself there, bucko. All right. There we have the Olivia. Of course, I am going to taste it. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, especially with our interesting ingredient here. And I will rate it. So 1, I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would have all the cocktails all night and hate myself in the morning.
That head of foam.
It's because I'm awesome.
Good job, man.
I know. That was with my bad arm, too.
Oh.
Whoa, look, imagine what my good arm... Well, that's not my good arm.
Apparently that is your good arm.
Well, now it's my good arm. Anywho. All right, let's taste this cocktail. Oh, I'm like really shaky for some reason.
You're nervous. It's the olive oil.
It's the olive oil.
It's making your palate slippery.
Interesting. So you do taste the olive oil, but it strangely works. I am befuddled. Befuddled is the word today. I'm befuddled. Like, it's not, like, it tastes like olive oil, but you get this.
But it's not olive oily.
but no, like you get the sweetness of the honey syrup, which like combats some of like what would be harsh about the olive oil. I'm trying to, and like it's one thing that I will say. So typically when you add fat to a cocktail, it does like, it extends the longevity of like the flavor. So I will say like, this is not a cocktail that's like, it's still in my mouth. Like I can still taste it. It's not like evaporating. It's not going anywhere. It's hanging out in my mouth. And that's coming from adding that fat into this cocktail. And I'm very confused. Like it doesn't make sense. It should not, like in my mind, it doesn't work to add olive oil, but this cocktail is really good. Like I said, I taste the olive oil. I don't know if I taste the amaretto. Maybe I do. I'm so confused right now that I'm not really sure what I taste. I know I taste sweet olive oil with some citrus.
Oh.
That's what I taste.
That sounds delicious.
It actually, I'm not going to lie. I'm super confused and I thought for sure I was going to hate this cocktail. This is actually a really good cocktail. I don't know if I'd have a ton of them though. So I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5. Which I'm going to be honest, I was going into this thinking I was going to give it a 1 out of 5. I'm like, it's a 1. It's a 1. I got to give it a 3 because I think if I had this at a bar, I would be so confused that I'd have to get another one. But anyway, so 3 out of 5 for me. The ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can give this a try in your home and see what you think about an olive oil cocktail. And then make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, did you make the cocktail? Is it absolutely bonkers? Are you confused as I am? Because holy smokes. But I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.